In this video, I'm going to show you how to fix api-ms-win-core-libraryloader-l1-2-0.dll missing error. So first thing you want to do is go here and type in cmd, and then you want to, so here I'm going to type cmd and then right click and then run as administrator. So here we will write the following commands. First command is dism. So I'm gonna copy and paste this. dism/online/cleanup-image/restore health, and then press enter. Then second command sfc/scan now and press enter. So once this one is done loading, it will fix any missing errors and files in your computer. And make sure you restart your computer and see if this fixes the issue. If you're still having issues, then I recommend going here inside of your computer. And now what you need to do is just put the name of the folder you're having an error with. So for me, it's basically the DLL folder. So I will just paste it here, api-ms, and then just write the full name and then type download next to it. Okay, just like this, library loader, and then press enter. So you'll get to a website like this one. Go inside here, and now you need to download. So if you're using a 64-bit computer, so you can tell from here, if you're using 64-bit computer, then you should download both folders. So download this one and this one. If you're using 32-bit, then download just this one. So I will download both. The first one downloaded, and then I'll download the second one. And then this one is done downloading. So as you can see, I downloaded them, and here in the downloads folder, I recommend labeling them as 64-bit and 32-bit. So I'll label this one as 64, and I'll label this one as 32-bit. Then extract them. Then you can delete these, and now just place this here. So go to this PC, C drive, go to Windows. Here you need to go to System32. So inside System32, all you have to do is just drag the folder of 64-bit. So drag this folder and just place it over here. Click continue. Then go back here and then go to syswow64. Then go to this next folder, 32-bit. Just drag it and drop it inside here. Then press continue. Now if you're a 64-bit user, just do like what I did. Drag this the same way, 64-bit inside of System32. And then 32-bit inside of syswow64. If you're using a 32-bit computer, then all you have to do is drag the 32-bit and drag this one inside of System32, and that's it. And then you can close this down and restart your computer and see if the error is still there. If it's still there, then you can just go here, open Google Chrome, and type in Visual C++ redistributable and download. And then go to this main Microsoft official webpage, and then click the latest version and download the latest version of the C++ package. Download both the 64-bit and 32-bit. Then you're gonna install both the 64 and the 32-bit. Just run the installer normally. Once this one installs, run the second installer, like agree, and then install. It's pretty basic. After this, restart your computer and your issue is fixed.